This 5-minute solution will show you how to delete my EA account on computer. Follow these easy steps to delete your EA account. Open your browser and open ea.com, and once you are here, make sure to sign into your EA account. Once you sign in, scroll down all the way to the bottom and here click on help. And once you are in this page, scroll down and click on see more, and you have to find out the EA app option. So click on that, and here click on see all help topics, and here scroll down and search for I want to delete my EA account. Now click on it. And how can I close my EA account? Now all you have to do is just click on chat with us, and now enter here your first name and enter your email address and select your platform PC, and subject type I want to delete my EA account, and you can attach something here. Then all you have to do is just click on send. Then you will be able to get live support from EA customer. All you have to do is just you have to explain that you want to delete or deactivate your EA account, and that's the only method to delete EA account. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.